You're welcome again to a house showing vlog, and typical of this particular vlog, I'll be sharing with you two house viewing, and this is a 2-bed and a 3-bed in an apartment building, but an excellent place that you can rent with almost a lot of these amenities that you're looking for. So this is the reception area. Beautiful. One thing I love about this place was that it is super clean. In fact, I saw the janitor the day I went for this showing, and I can see constant cleaning of this particular apartment. It is beautiful. I was teasing that maybe I can move here, but I don't know. It's really clean, beautiful. It's just a place that you can desire to want to stay. So this is the reception area. Beautiful, spacious. They have a mailbox at the entrance. It's a 2-bed and a 1-bath. Has its own washer and dryer and suite. That space you just saw, you can use it for your house, office, home office. If you're working from home, the kitchen area, it's there with the appliances there. There's a dishwasher too. There's a fridge. There's no microwave in this particular apartment. You have to buy one for yourself if you want to. And this spacious sitting area, it's beautiful. It's also overlooking a very big outside view, whereby you can see your externals. You can go there to relax. You can sit down there and just have a good time out when the weather is really nice. Take a tour with me into the bedrooms. This is bedroom 1. This is actually a staged apartment, so you can see it all fitted up, but this is how some homes are staged, so that people who desire to rent or even buy some homes will see the value in those homes. So that's why it is staged, and they're showing this off as well. So beautiful bathroom. Sometimes the staging, like this faucet, it is a high upgrade of that particular thing. You probably won't find it in a regular apartment, but you can see the difference. If you want it, it will be upgraded to that, but there's really no need. But this is a home that is showing, and somebody can rent this eventually when they want to rent it, but the cost of this rent will be higher than the regular apartment. Even the wardrobes are different from the regular one. You'll be able to see that in the 3-bed. The empty one I showed again was a 3-bed, the same apartment. Then you see a bit of difference in that. That is storage area for you, and I'm loving this big space for the sitting area, and a mini dining area for your comfort. So this is what it looks like. It has a dishwasher. It doesn't have a microwave, like I said. The storage area is also, it's okay. In the laundry room, where I mentioned that you can use it for your home office, you can also store some things there, because it's that place that you're looking ahead is spacious. Now, this is the corridor to, basically all these apartments, really spacious. You can see the neat, clean rooms. Honestly, everywhere seems so clean, and we want to look at what the outside looks like. At the time of this viewing, it was when the snow was really bad on us, but I decided to take the risk for you guys to see what this place looks like. I love the external here, all this back space. It's for your own comfort and enjoyment. During the summer, you can sit here, you can play games here, you can have a party here, you can do barbecue here, anything you really like. There's no car driving that way, so it's all for your comfort. I'm taking you right now to the gym. This apartment also has a gym whereby you can have a good exercise, keep fit. That's the idea, keep fit. This gym is well equipped. I love all that is there that you can actually work with. If you're wanting to sit on those balls, if you want to maybe lose weight, or you're on the treadmill, or you want to cycle, there's just something for you in this particular gym. I had a few people here, so I couldn't really go around because I didn't want to show people's faces, but there's just a lot that you can do in this gym. This is a 3-bed that I mentioned, goes for 1880 per month, and this apartment is just a typical version of the 2-bed that I showed you, but this is a 3-bed. That's the external as well. So the external is actually for you. That place that I'm pointing to can lead you outside. You can take that outside. And during the summer, that external place is just for you. You can sit out there, do your barbecue there, and just entertain there. So let's go to the room. This is the master's bedroom. It's okay for a 2-bed. You can see the closet is different from the other one that has the door. That is, the other one was an upgrade I mentioned. This is the bathroom, also different from, you can see the taps and all of that, different from that upgraded version. There's also the other bedroom. Let's go to another bedroom. This is not the stage one, so this is the open floor one. You can appreciate it differently. Look at the wardrobe as well, different, but this is okay. It's a 3-bed. It's a 3-bed, a mini storage area here. I think it's smaller than the 2-bed, and then this is the final bedroom. That's the 3rd bedroom with a closet. It also has its wash and dryer room, whereby you can also walk here. It has some spaces where you can stack and store stuff. You can manage around this area to work if you can. As long as you're not doing laundry, you should be fine. Or you make it a storage place for your kitchen extension, like your grocery and storage stuff. You can put those there. Then the kitchen is also this format. I hear at the point of this that they were going to change some of these appliances to match up, because this is stainless steel. They are going to make it like the other ones, or change everyone to be stainless steel because they were still white. They would complement everything to be the same finish. That I hear. The cooker is there, and that's the viewing. I hope you like it. If you want to see more of this, send me a message. Or if you want to rent, I'll be willing to help.